Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to show you something that I found to improve the quality and lower the calorie count of my smoothies. Now, several months back I showed you a smoothie recipe that was around 400 calories. Absolutely delicious green smoothie that is not calorie conscious but is very healthy. But today I'm going to show you another version of that same green smoothie. One of the things that I mentioned in that last video is that I do not like protein powder. I do not like the taste. I just don't even use it in my smoothies. Well, I found a protein powder that I absolutely love. It has zero taste. It doesn't change the consistency of the smoothie. It actually, I think it makes it a little creamier, but this is called Skinny Protein, and this is by a company called yoursuper.com, and this is a girl who creates a bunch of different healthy powders to add to smoothies and bowls and different things like that. This is an organic superfood. It has, what does this have in it? This has pea protein, hemp protein, moringa, spirulina, and alfalfa. So this is perfect for a green smoothie. And you can see what it looks like. So all I do is add 2 tablespoons of this to my smoothies. I heard about this from Denise Austin. Now, if you know who Denise Austin is, I'm 60 years old. I think she's a couple years older than me. And I remember when I was in my 20s, I used to work out to videos by Denise Austin. And so she's amazing. I just have to say, she looks so amazing. She looks exactly the same as she did when she was in her 20s. So if she's recommending something like that, I figured I would give it a try. And like I said, I really love it. It really doesn't have any kind of aftertaste or change the taste of the smoothie. Now, I did change up the ingredients in my smoothie. I still have 2 cups of baby spinach. I still have a banana. But what I did was I changed out the apple juice and the yogurt. I don't use any yogurt and I don't use any apple juice. What I use is a unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And this is great. This also doesn't change the taste. It doesn't make the smoothie taste funky, you know, like you feel like the taste is still delicious. The smoothie is still delicious. So this is for 1 cup. The serving size is 8 fluid ounces. It's only 45 calories. And then I add a cup of frozen mango. You can mix it up with half a cup of peaches, half a cup of mango, but my grocery store didn't have the frozen peaches this week, so I just got mango. I'll just use mango. It's fine. So the total calorie count in this smoothie is 294 calories. So that's an excellent way to stay under a 1,200, 1,300 calorie a day program. You're starting off with under 300. So, and this powder has 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put the smoothie together. I'm gonna show you everything going in. I do put a cup of ice in this smoothie that I did not put in the other one, but I think the cup of ice just gives it another nice smooth consistency. So I'll show you how I put it together and we'll give it a taste. So I basically put 2 good handfuls of spinach and I put that in first, so that the spinach will be able to get blended in. And obviously be careful because you have blades in here. But that looks good. A couple more pieces of spinach. So then I put in my powder, my protein powder. And like I said, I put 2 tablespoons. Okay. Then I put in my almond milk. And I'm going to put in 1 cup. Pour that over that. Okay. Then I'm going to put my banana in. All right, and then I'm going to put my cup of mangoes. Oops, it's a little bit too much. It's about a cup, a little bit more, but that's fine. Okay, and now I'm going to put a cup of ice. All right. We're going to get that nice and mixed up. All right, so we're gonna pour this into my glass. Look how beautiful that looks. Guys, all right guys, time for a taste. Delicious, delicious smoothie. There's no aftertaste, there's no taste of the protein powder or any other kind of funky taste here because of the almond milk or anything like that. The banana, the mango. Is pretty much what you can taste. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, this lower calorie smoothie. I am new to this protein powder. I'm new to using protein powder, but I absolutely love it. So if you want to check it out, I will link it below and you can check out everything that yoursuper.com. All right guys, I'm gonna go drink my smoothie and start my day off the right way. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.